All right, now what if I told you about a Facebook business page growth hack? Now even better, what if I told you about a Facebook business page growth hack that you could automate? Stay tuned because that's what I'm about to show you. Hello everyone, welcome aboard. If it's your first time or you've been here before, either way, glad to have you along. I'm Sean with SEO Sorcerer, and as promised, I would show you a Facebook business page growth hack. Without further ado, let's get into it. A quick hack that'll let you build your Facebook business page a lot quicker. This is my Mountaineer Sports page, something I do as a hobby. So like for instance, you'll share a meme. I would like to have got one that was a little more viral than this, but it got enough likes to where I can show you what to do to help build your Facebook page. So you see where it got 200 likes. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Now you're going to go down through and you can invite all of the people that like this image to now invite them to like your page. Okay, this one didn't go real viral, so there's only a few people that I'm actually getting to invite. But still, it gets to be a good example for me. I can still show you. Now, that might not seem like much to do. That seems like something you can handle. You know, if you do a couple memes a day and you get 300 or 400 likes, maybe you'll get to invite 20, 30, 40 people to follow your page, and then you'll get followers accordingly. You know, maybe you'll get half of them. Maybe you'll get 10% of them. Either way, you're building your followers up much better than you would be if you're just letting them grow organically. So now I have a way to automate this. So I have a plugin. It's called the Invite Post Likers plugin. But to the left of your page here, it's Creator Studio. Click there. It'll take you in. From there, you're going to click Content Library. Then it's going to take you to your posts. Okay, and then you're going to click on the Invite Post Liker button. And I have the paid version, so it gives me a little bit more options. If you don't have the paid version, you'll just go where I showed you previously, and you will it'll just start going down through them automatically for you. Like I said, it might not seem like a lot to do, but if you're putting up 5 or 10 memes a day that are getting 100, 500,000, 5,000 likes, this could take 20 minutes, 30 minutes, even an hour to do, and this does it automatically for you. So in this one, you'll just do full scan this page. Then what it does, it opens up each post for you and goes through and invites everyone that hasn't liked your page. So yeah, that, like I said, if you do this, you can utilize these memes as a big part of your marketing plan. If you have a Facebook page, you can share to different groups. You can share these memes to different groups. You can do a paid ad, and then you can invite all of the people that like them. And you just click this and have it run. It does it automatically. You can open up a tab, set this to take off, and then minimize the tab, and you won't even know it. It's just taking care of that for you while you do something else. So like I said, yeah, right now it's going on through, and it'll go on through, and it'll do, even if there's times where I've had 5,000 likes, it'll go through every single one of those and invite them all to like your page. It's just a numbers game, If you're able to get 5,000 people invited to your page every week, you're probably going to get at least 500 on the like. And just over time, you'll be able to get more and more people liking your images, more and more people sharing your images, and then you can scale, and it just gets bigger and bigger. And when you're done, you hit stop, and it'll give you your statistics. But yeah, it's a really cool plugin I wanted to share with you, so hopefully you can use this. Like I said, the plugin, it's called the Invite Post Likers. That's so you just go to the Chrome extension store. As you can see that up top, just type that up in your Chrome browser. Then you go to the Invite Post Likers. And then, like I said, if you want, you can purchase the paid version that automates everything. Just you put all the names of your pages in, runs them all. And I think it was like $50 for a lifetime subscription. I'll put some links to this below in the description so you can make sure you check all these out. Like I said, this is something you definitely want to start using immediately. Start building that Facebook page up right now. All right, thanks for checking out my video. Put it into action. Make it happen right now. Your Facebook business page will be exploding with new likes. Once again, thanks for checking me out. If you could do me a big favor, hit me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell. It'd be greatly appreciated. Thanks for stopping by.